Good morning children and welcome to the EVS2 class. What is today's date children? Today's date is 30 of September and I believe you are all very well and taking good care of yourself, and also children, you are preparing well for your half yearly exam. So children, since we finished a revision of lesson 1 and lesson 2, so let's do a revision of our third lesson. So I hope children you listen to my video carefully, you'll take out your textbook and whatever I'll be explaining you follow with me. Okay, so children, what is that we'll do today? We'll do revision of lesson number 3, that is what does the earth look like. Okay, what does the earth look like? This is our lesson. So this is our first page. This is the lesson, what does the earth look like. So just like human beings have features, okay, like nose, eyes, then forehead, hair. If you want to tell anyone about a particular boy, how he's tall, he's dark, then he has big eyes, he has flat nose, we tell, if we describe about him, then we tell like this about him. And when we tell about these features, flat nose, big eyes he have, then his complexion is dark, then this is called physical. What is it's called? We are telling about the physical beauty. Okay, we are telling the outward beauty of that person. Similarly, earth, okay, the earth has also physical features. Okay, and what are those physical features? Physical features of two kinds. First, landforms, the land which is there, and water which is there. Land, we all know, earth has land, both land and water, and land is also divided into different types, and water body is also divided into different types. So you'll come to study about that. So first, about the landforms. A plain. What is a plain? We all know a plain is just a wide stretch of flat area. Okay, a wide stretch of flat area. Then we have a plateau. What is a plateau? A plateau is a raised land with a flat top. It is a raised land. Okay, just like a mountain, but just like a hill, but a hill doesn't have a flat top, but a plateau has a flat top. Then a hill. What is hill? A hill is an area of land which is naturally higher than the surrounding area. A hill is higher than the surrounding area. Then we have a mountain. A mountains are very tall, rocky area of land, and it's much higher than the surrounding area. Mountains have peaks and are much taller and steeper. Okay, steeper means it's straight. Okay, it's not sloping like the hills. So let's see a picture of before watching the picture, let's finish off the landform. Then we have valley. What is a valley? Valley is the land between hills or mountains. Between two hills or mountains there is a space, okay, between them, and it's called, what it is called? It's called valley. Then children, it is, what is the shape of the valley? It is usually V shape. Okay, it's usually V shape. Then we have island. What is an island? An island is an area of land surrounded by water on all sides. So what is an island? It's an area of land which is surrounded by water on all sides. And peninsula is also area of land, but it is not surrounded by water on all four sides. It's surrounded by water on 3 sides. It is also connected to land. Then we have delta. You all know what is delta now. You have studied in, yes, in your lesson the rivers. So delta is a triangular shape of land. Okay, and where it is formed? It's formed at the mouth of the river. Where the river meets the sea or ocean, a delta is formed just in the mouth of the river. So now let's watch the various landforms. This is a plain, children. You can all see this is a plain. Then we have, children, you can see a plain is a wide stretch of flat land. This is totally flat. Okay, that's why this is, what is this? This is plain. Okay, this is plain. Then we have, children, next we have a plaque cube. What is this? This is a children a plateau. And how is this a plateau? You can see the raised land. Okay, it is raised. Okay, it is like a hill, but you can see the top is flat. The top is flat. It looks like a table, so the top is flat. That's why it is the plateau. Then next we have children a hill. You can see this is a hill, but does it have a flat top? No, it doesn't have a flat top. It's a hill, and you can see it's not very much high. So this is a hill. Okay. Then next we have a mountain. You can see so different it is from the mountain. It is so high, it is tall, it is rocky, it has a pointed peak. You can see it has a pointed peak. The peak is so very pointed. Okay, a hill has always a pointed peak, and you can see it is so steep, so straight it is, and very difficult to climb to the peak. And this is what? This is a mountain. Okay children, this is a mountain. Then children, next we have a valley. Okay, you can see the valley. What is a valley? Valley is this space. Okay, this space between the two mountains or hills. Okay, the two mountains or hills, so you can see on the right hand side and the left hand side, and this space. Okay, this space between them, it's called the valley. Okay, then next we have an island. You can see this is an island, and this island is surrounded by water on all four sides. Okay, and it's not connected to any stretch of land. It's not connected to land. Okay, to go there we'll have to take a boat or ship, then only we can go there. With the help of train or bus we cannot go to an island. We'll have to take waterways to go to an island. Next we have children a peninsula. What is a peninsula? You can see here peninsula. It is surrounded by water on three sides, but one side it is connected, it is surrounded by land. Unlike island, island is surrounded by water on all three sides, but a peninsula is surrounded by water on three sides, but it's connected to the mainland on the fourth side. Okay, so on one side it's surrounded by land. Then we have children water bodies. What are water bodies? It is sea, rivers, lakes, glaciers and icebergs. These are all what children? Water bodies. Now let's see what is the sea. Sea is a large saltwater body. Then rivers. What is a river? A river is a flowing body of water that follows the course of land. Then we have lakes. Lake is a large body of water that is surrounded by land. It is surrounded by land on all four sides. Then we have glacier. A glacier is a slowly moving river of ice. Okay, it is a river, but it is of ice. Okay, the water freezes to become glacier. Then we have icebergs. Icebergs are big chunks of ice which floats in the sea or ocean. Now let's see children. This is a picture of a sea. You can see children, this is a picture of a sea. Okay, this is a picture of a sea, and sea water is salty. Then we come to a river, and you can see a river, a picture of a river, and this river, it follows a course. And where is that course? You can see here children, a particular course is there. First it will move like this, then it will go like this, then it will go like this, and then it will move towards the right. So it follows a particular course. It just don't unlike sea and ocean, it doesn't it doesn't spreads everywhere. It follows a particular course. Then we have children a lake. You can see here a picture of a lake, and it's surrounded by land on all four sides. Okay, on all four sides it is surrounded by land, and it is a lake. Then next we have children, this is what you know, this is Glacier. And what is glacier? Glacier is a slowly moving river of ice, and this is a river of ice. You can see a river is there with so much ice. Okay, it is full of ice, and this is a glacier, a river of ice, a river which is full of ice. The water is very cold. It freezes so much that the water becomes ice. Then children, we have icebergs. You can see icebergs here, big icebergs. These are big chunks of ice. Okay, and this is called, children, these are called icebergs. And then to the last topic we come, that is reading maps. In order to read maps, in maps some special colors are used to identify these physical features. Now let's see what are those colors. Those colors are, children, for if you see on a map, the green color, it represents the plains. The light brown, it represents the tall mountains. You can see the light brown, the green color. Then we have the yellow color for the plateaus, the blue color for the water. We all know the blue color is used for the different water bodies, and the brown color for the hills. So for reading maps, these colors are used so that people, they know which physical feature are present on which side of a country. So children, with this we come to the end of the revision of our lesson 3, that is water bodies and landforms which are present on the surface of the earth. So children, I hope you are preparing well for your half-yearly exam. You read the lessons carefully. You have seen how the questions come from between the lessons, and give your exam nicely. Study well for your half-yearly exam, and all of you, all the best for your half-yearly exam. Okay, so children, bye bye and have a good day.